Alright guys, I'm trying to pull out this IC. I'll show you the easiest way to pull it out. The easiest, fastest, cheapest way to pull it out. What you need to do is you need to secure this board to anything, maybe a wooden board like you see me doing. Now I'm going to secure this. I have 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3. I can't find another screw, so you can cope. Next, you get a tiny piece of wire. It's a tiny piece of wire. You carefully slide it through any of the pins. Best to use 2 of these types of wires. Good, it's out. I forgot to mention you need a heat gun. You need a heat gun. A rework station maybe. You set your rework station to about 500 degrees. It's going to do a very quick job. You get another wire. You put it here. I don't want the video to be too long, that's why I'm rushing. When you do yours, you do it gently. You see? So I'm going to heat it up now. Remember, you set your heat gun, rework station, to about 500 degrees. Heat for like 30 seconds. Try to pull. Don't use force. Once it's done, it will come out very easily. See, it's coming out. Remember, I don't use too much force. See how clean it is? Very clean. I'll also show you the back. Oh, I can't show you the back, I'm sorry. It's screwed. But when I remove it, you'll get to see the picture. The IC is also useful. It's not damaged. Very quick job. Thank you.